No, I don't get it. I don't get it. They're putting shit on my face, and I don't know what it's supposed to do to my face. Okay, it's supposed to tighten the face.
You're messing up the video.
But
what up, tubers? So welcome back to my channel. I've been up since 5:30. I'm much of a morning person, and I woke up this morning with this really unsightly pimple. You got a pimple right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right there, or it's trying to form. So normally what happens when I try to stop a pimple before it gets full head red nastiness, I do a clay mask. So today I'm gonna be doing a Bentonite clay mask with my Bentonite Me Baby clay, and I'm also going to be bringing in a very special guest. This is Jasmine.
Early in the morning.
It is,
woke up like this,
like 8:30.
Breath on fleek.
Won't be a distraction to you.
Not at all, boy.
I'm gonna do the Bentonite clay mask. I'm gonna show you guys how to mix it together because it's really simple actually. It just says mix 1.5 times the amount of water or apple cider vinegar. Yeah.
Oh, apple cider vinegar?
Do you have some?
Yeah.
Well, there we have it. We got apple cider vinegar. Jazzy Faye!
I got breakfast.
What? She went downstairs for apple cider vinegar and came back with breakfast.
Everyone should have a healthy breakfast.
So, the Bentonite clay mask powder says that you can mix it with 1.5 times the amount of water or apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to do a mixture of the water and the apple cider vinegar because I don't want all that acidicness on my face. Do the same for you? There we go. So, let's get started. So we finna be bougie. And somebody is particular about the harsh tap water that we were going to use, so we're going to use spring water.
I'm so fancy.
Fancy shit. We being classy ratchet, cause watch what I mix this shit with. So. I'm gonna do about So we've added one more person. This is Jean. We went and woke her up. We went and woke her up.
Good. Okay.
Oh,
it's hot.
The one time she doesn't have her actual robe on. So Jean's gonna also do the face mask. So you're first. Bring me your face.
Really, nigga?
I just woke up, guys, and my breath stank.
Brush your teeth.
Alright guys, at the moment, as you can see, Ty's gonna put the clay on my face. Well, it's already on my face, but yeah, she's adding more, and honestly this feels really cold on my face but soft at the same time. It stings a lot, but yeah, I can't wait to see how my face looks like at the end. I can't wait to see the results. So you guys just lay back, sit back, and enjoy the show. Okay.
It's gonna dry up, and then once I take it off, it's gonna be like, you know how when you take wax off, that should be hurting. Why do I feel like that's what you're putting on my face?
Goodbye.
Jasmine's turn.
Alright, so when she first put it on my face, it was kind of cold. So if there's anybody out there that doesn't like cold things on your face, you know, and want to have it be like more calming and relaxing, you could warm it up a little bit so the heat can, you know, soothe you.
I'm hungry.
Right? That's why I ate some cereal. I wasn't trying to be like you.
The shade of it all.
Alright, so as you see, sometimes she did rub down a little bit, but we did correct this later. Don't forget to rub up so that way you don't create like wrinkles on your face.
Oh! I don't like the way that feels at all.
Really?
Yeah, normally I don't do it with apple cider vinegar, I just do water. So for me, I normally do the Bentonite clay mask with only water, so I can immediately tell the difference between the apple cider vinegar and the water mixture. And it smells like feet. It smells like pure, unfiltered feet, and I don't like it at all. I tell all my masseuse, rub it up,
Rub it up.
rub it down,
Don't rub it down.
rub it up,
Rub it up.
rub it up, rub it up,
Rub it up. Rub it up.
rub it up, rub it up,
Rub it up. Rub it up.
rub it up, rub it up,
Rub it up. Rub it up.
rub it up, rub it up. All right, so we've all officially been masked, and I've got to be honest, adding the apple cider vinegar to it makes it smell like feet, like absolute feet. Like I feel like someone's musty, been at work for 10 hours in a boot on a pickup truck, foot is on my face.
We gave you foot cream instead of face wash.
The benefit of bentonite clay is, number one, it gives you a more even complexion on your skin. Number two, it reduces inflammation and acne as well as eczema. And it also helps bring out impurities in your skin, leaving your skin soft too. Back of the thing says that takes about 20 minutes to dry. We've already had it on for about 4. So another 16 minutes and then we'll come back and
Beautiful skin.
we'll rinse it off and see how it makes us feel.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It makes my face.
My skin freaking itches.
Oh my god! Apple cider vinegar was such a bad.
Oh yeah.
This is phenomenal.
20 minutes later.
Are we supposed to just peel it off?
No!
We gotta wipe it off,
We
right?
gotta wash it off.
Okay.
All of our faces itch. They all smell like feet. We're ready to get it off, so we're about to go wash it off. Were you mocking me?
She got that squeak, she got it wet. I'm on no ski. I got it drip, drip. I'm overseas.
Hey, hey.
B-R-I-P-P-I-N-G. I got that beat.
So after we washed off the face mask, I applied coconut oil to everyone's face. And this other oil, it's rose petal, peony, and bergamot oil. I use those 2 oils because they're lighter and I don't like having a greasy face after like just cleaning off my face, right? So I prefer those 2 oils because they're light and they're easier to maintain on the face without having like a glossy look. And the rose petal oil smells bomb against that foot smell I was telling you guys about. So my face feels amazing. It's tight, the skin feels really tight, and that forming pimple that I was talking about, you can barely see it. I don't even... Let's find out what they feel.
Alright guys, so after I took the clay off or washed the clay off my face, I feel great. I feel really good. My face feels tight and I feel very like refreshed. And I would do this all over again. And the rose petal really smells good, guys.
Smooth and clear. Oh my gosh. Clean and clear. Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Alright, now I don't know if Ty mentioned this earlier, but this is her first time. So we did realize later on that you should not put that much apple cider vinegar because if you have very sensitive skin, then it can irritate it a little bit.
I would definitely say the apple cider vinegar does make your face way redder than normal because the bentonite clay doesn't normally do this to my face this bad.
But I would definitely just, I mean, you can use it, just not a lot.
Yeah, don't put a lot as much as we did. We put a whole heck of a lot.
She, not we.
This is a team effort.
We put a lot.
So it is now 9:41 and we have officially finished cleansing and tightening and
Excuse that.
strengthening our faces.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. You'll see way more from me and of course from Jazz this year. So definitely hit that like button. Ladies, thank you so much for coming and doing this video with me for my vlog.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. We've got a lot planned for 2018 and
This was a wonderful experience, I must say.
It was.
that's good. And if you haven't checked out my wash and go video, please go watch that and definitely follow these 2 lovely ladies on their Instagram.
Ginny Official and Ms. Fancy Free.
We had fun. Hope you had fun and stick around.
You could just say
Going forward, I will never put apple cider vinegar in my Bentonite clay mask.
Yo, I smoked in my dream.
It's been a while since I've been touched.
Next it.
Now slow it down for me, baby. Got me dripping. You got me dripping. You know.
B-R-I-P-P-I-N-G. I got that B-B, it's my C-E-O.
I do not like the way this smells.
Yeah, you're right.
God.
Also, feel free to get any cucumbers and put them on your eyes as you lay down and let this dry. Get you all refreshed.
Bye.
I feel good.